Okay, here we are going to increase this thing here to make it a little bit curve type. Okay, shift Z and one for vertex mode and press C Z to make it a little bit up. This one GZ. Select this GZ. Select this, sorry, GZ. Select this GZ. Okay, G. Okay, fine. Now it looks better compared to that. Okay, now our basic top is ready, our seat is ready with top angle, everything is ready now. Okay, let me concentrate on bottom thing and handle. Okay, press 3 key, numeric 3 key on keyboard, press shift S to wireframe, go to edit mode and save it, and always keep backup for all the thing. Go to object mode, shift D, and to make a duplicate object press right click, press M, and new collection backup BKB. So now it's moved to backup, so now we can untick the backup. So one backup is here for this chair. Okay, so you can go to right click view, shift Z. Okay, and here this one select this and press. Okay, I think shift Z, it's okay. Okay, that one is working, no problem. Okay, okay, now in object mode we went to edit. Let me come out from that. Okay, so you have to create a new content for the same. Okay, so we have to create a new content for that. So let it in outside object mode, right? Save it before, don't forget to save it. And shift Z and press shift right click and create one. Okay, now let's unselect everything and select in an empty place, or you can double A, you can press and you can unselect it. Okay, and just a second, screencasting, I turn it on. I think I missed out, sorry for that. Our before video, and you can if you are not new to the channel, subscribe the channel to get the new video for you, right? And here press go to object mode, in this selected thing press Ctrl R and create one edge loops here. Okay, now it comes safe small curve, right? It looks nice. Shift Z. Okay, fine. Okay, let me go to normal uh, wireframe view. Okay, I have put at the beginner tutorial, I have put it in my video. You can I have given in the description link, you can go and watch that earlier how to install the blender, how to learn that first, all the few setups and things, right? Okay, after shift right click to move the 3D cursor. So in 3D cursor only all the object will be created. Press shift A and create a plane, rotate in y axis, press R and Y 90 degree, press S to scale and go to wireframe view. Sorry, select this vertices, press G, and you can move it here in this angle this time. Select this and press G and move it in this type of angling here, right? And in front view select okay, plane sheet, no problem, fine. So I thought I was thinking about a cube design. Okay, press G and move it to this corner point. Okay, select these vertices bottom, press G and move to this corner point. Okay, now select these two vertices, press E to extrude and move towards here this angle, and select these vertices and G to move. So you should be in right side view, right? Don't forget that. So if you do it in other views it doesn't come properly. Okay, select these two vertices, press E to extrude, and you can come this angle here and select this G and G and you can move it here. So this one you can move it G here like this. Okay, fine. And this one, okay, Okay, this could be correct, I feel. Okay, let me see after doing E to extrude. Select this and press G and move it here. Okay, and select this. Scale in X Y axis 0 to make it straight the line. Select these two vertices, press E to extrude in Y axis so that it be like this. Okay, and here let me create some edge loops. Okay, after selecting, okay, create the edge loop lines, and then let me create the smooth corners for this, right? Select these two vertices. Okay, I think you can dissolve this edges X and dissolve the edges. Create, select these two vertices, press B, sorry, Control Shift B, and create these curve cuts. Okay, so it comes like this design, and then okay, fine. Okay, sorry, I just Control B, sorry, Control Shift B, and make these designs. Okay, select this and press yeah, that center, right? Control 3, Shift Z. Okay, go to this view and GX. Sorry, I can able to view GX, right? So we are in this view. Go to right side and GZ, and you can add a little bit top to here, and then you can move some vertices nearby the chair. Go to front view, Shift Z. Okay, and select these vertices GX. Select these vertices GX, and select these vertices GX. Shift Z and view it in. Okay, this is better. This is GX. Slightly down. Okay, press Control. Okay, fine, not bad. Okay, let me move this one a little bit further. GX. Okay, now it's better looking. Go to side view, Shift Z. Okay, let me create one more Control Shift B, create the loop edges. Okay, let me do it separately. Control Shift B and create it like this, and G to move. Okay, let it be same. Okay, now here also Control Shift B and move it tightly a little bit. That's enough. These two, press G to move it, and this one you can move like this. This one you can move like this, because here we are going to create one more two things here, and after that create some loop cuts. Okay, 3 loop cuts I make it. This one it's not going to join here because it doesn't have cuts for this. Press J. Sorry for this cold what I'm making. Okay, says control duplicate subdivided by 4. Okay, this one is going to join this one is going to join this, and sorry, that one let it be same. Let we join this one, join this, join this, and join this. Okay, and here we are going to make one curve cut here. Press Control R. Look at this creating here. Okay, let it be create here. Join this one. Select this. subdivide, join this one. Okay, and we are going to make a design using this only in between the steels. For that, the design what is coming, the curve card. Okay, okay, Shift Z, fine. This one, join. This one, join. This one, join. This one, join. Okay, here in wireframe, GZ, move it tab to this. GZ, move it tab to this, and this one GY, and move a little bit tightly here, and GY a little bit more tightly here, right? And here also I'm going to make the one G cut here. I'm going to make it okay, and press 2 and select these edges, so they create a circle, select and create. Now control B to bevel, control B to bevel, create a bevel. Okay, let it be 3 cuts, it will look nice. Okay, right, and press Alt S and you can move towards inside. Sorry, I couldn't able to see. Shift Z and go to solid frame. Alt S, move it tightly down. Alt S, more down. Okay, Alt S, more down. Okay, fine. Now it's created, so you can able to see Shift Z. It's created that look at here, and but it looks fizzy, right? Fizzy means how to say, it doesn't look like that everything solid, right? What I'm going to do for that, press select select these faces. Sorry, I select this using small circle. Select to better for selecting everything good. And GX little bit tight up, and press R, and you can make those loop cuts here. Shade smooth. Now it looks better, I hope. So select this, go to tab, remove Shift Z, press 1, press 3, tab. Okay, it's not coming that actual shape cut, I think. So do that, press, go to edit mode, plus 1 on vertices, select these vertices, GY, and try to move it a little bit. Okay, right now nice curve guy here, so you can select these G and move down. Select this, press G and move. Okay, fine. Now our small piece cut is created. Shift Z. Okay, now this is created. Go to edit mode, press select all the edges in the corner, and E to extrude an x-axis. Sorry, GX. Sorry, GX. Moves towards that, and select this one, and GX to move a little bit further. Now I think it's came exact design what is required for us. Shift Z. Okay, yeah, almost ready everything. Okay, let me go into the next design. Okay, here if you go to the third view and Shift Z, here one button is available. You can able to see this button we are going to create now. Okay, Shift Z, solid mode, and okay, and here okay, what we are going to do is we are going to create one here shift A and create one sphere, scale it tightly down, okay, and shift Z, scale it G and move it and scale it lightly down, zoom it, okay, almost it's fine, shift Z, GX, GZ, scale it down so it should align here, okay, okay, it looks fine, okay, now rotate in R Y 90 degree and go to front view and go to edit mode, shift Z to wireframe and select these vertices and press X and V to delete and select the vertex to delete, select everything, scale X axis, you will create scale X axis using shift key, scale X axis shift key, yeah, now what is our requirement is now it's created, and go to object mode, shade smooth, auto smooth, you have to select, and for this we are going to assign a value is that black plastic, which is going to be a black for us, and go to object, set origin to the geometry mask, here select this and GX to go further down, GX, okay, now it's created one dots here, go to shift Z here and okay, now it's created, control save, okay, now I have created this another buttons using shift D to duplicate this button and move it to that angle, and here select this one and create a new material, which one is make it as silver, and this one I'm going to give full metallic, and roughness I'm going to reduce. So when we enter in material view, you can able to see it's one metallic silver color it's coming. So this one I'm going to make it as a little bit darker, and this metallic I'm going to give it on full. Now you can able to see our this is has been ready for this. So in this angle it's going to come on a hand light, okay, right, hand thing, so that one is going to be there, okay, shift solid mode, okay, fine, it looks better. Let me do it in one side and we can mirror it on other side, so not need to worry about it, okay, control S to save, and go to right, shift set to solid mode, shift set to wireframe mode, and deselect everything and press A and hide to hide everything, shift right click to move the cursor, three cursor to the shift A and create a circle, create a cylinder, scale it down and rotate it or Y 90 degree, and you can zoom it in and scale it a little bit and scale it a bit out, okay, and then alt hash shift Z, okay, shift Z, okay, we can move a little bit towards up, okay, this could be fine, shift Z, okay, right, now shift Z, select this and hide, select this and hide, okay, will be concentration model, go to front view and scale, select this and scale in x axis, okay, right, scale px once again, okay, I think this could be fine for alt head shift Z, okay, and here gx to move it a bit and rotate it a little bit, X. Okay, fine. This could be fine. Front view, Shift Z, and here we are going to create Shift Z, H to hide, H to hide, right view, and edit mode. Go to face selection, select these faces. Hmm. Select this one too. Okay, and E to extrude. Okay, G Control Z, and this one also select. G to E to extrude, and scale Y0. Enter, and press G, and you can move it here. Title bit. Okay, and here you can sorry, you can do one thing. E to extrude, right click to cancel, press S to scale a little bit, X axis, and press 1 and press G to move, and scale Y0 and G to move like this. Okay, go to Shift Z frame mode. You can see inside anything is there. Okay, nothing is there, no problem. Shift Z, and okay, then select the edge selection, select everything, and press E to extrude, S to scale, and you can scale it down. G X, time a bit, extrude scale, G X, extrude scale, extrude scale. Press 1 on the vertex menu, press M and center the point, and press Ctrl 3 to bevel the object. Okay, and this side which we are going to give is this one. Let me see it further. It's not much important in the back side. Okay, so which we are going to, it's going to be hide and inside. Okay, right. So, and here auto smooth selected, and now here this is the thing is created, and we can extrude as per our requirement here. Okay, go to edit mode, and in this tool option you can untick that edit option, beveling, right, Shift Z, select, this, sorry, Control Z, press G, move a little bit here like this, and E to extrude, GZ. Okay, can move like this. E to extrude, sorry, this one, Control Z, select this one, press G, and you can move it towards here, right? Okay, so to be correct here, and you can select these two vertices in right behind GZ. Okay, so and select this one, press E to extrude, and in Y axis, sorry, GY. Okay, and here GY we have created, and here we are going to merge this one. Select this, select this, press M, sorry, select these two, press M at last, and same again, Shift R to repeat the same, press view 10 angle. Okay, still need to go. Select this, Shift R to repeat the last step. So I have used merged tool for last step, so it's happening the same. Okay, now it's done. Again, E to extrude, and you can move it here. Again we can do the same, select this, press M last, then again Shift R to repeat the same, to do the easiest step to do this one, right? Okay, now it's here finish, which is kind of here. You can able to gap is there, so I'm leaving the gap same bottom to equalize that. Okay, press E to extrude, press E to extrude, press E to extrude. Here in this angle, what I'm going to do here in front, this one I'm going to do um, E to extrude. Okay, here this one I'm going to move a little bit further G Y and move a little bit further here. Alright, I'm going to select this G Y, move here, and this one G Y, move here, this one G Y, move here, and this one going to be front G Y. Okay, now this angle is shift Z. This curve is created in this corner now, right? What we expected. What we expected is created now. Shift Z. Okay, Alt H. Okay, now this is ready with our requirement. Okay, and now let me create this in our top view angle, and this one I feel it's a little small. So what I'm going to do, select this, press scale and exit in y-axis. Okay, I feel this is now better. I feel still it's small for keeping the hand, right? And here also if we in front we should come a little bit more. So what I'm going to do, shift set I, because front we have made it big, I hope then it doesn't look nice for us. Okay, press Control R, here only is there, so no problem. Then GY here a little bit further and Control R, and we create one edge loops. Okay, now it looks better. Fine, it's almost ready now, and this also I feel it's a little bit still scale X to make it more. Okay, fine. I think now I feel still it's okay. Fine. Now better, not bad. So here you can able to see some fishy is happening here. Go to tab in edit mode, right? Here what we have to do is create Control R and create one edge loops here. Control R. Select this and join. So, select this and join. Now it looks still it's not happened. Okay, what shall we do in this case? um so it's getting on now. Okay, let me do one thing. We have to find the solution for this, but because it doesn't look nice. But if we zoom in only we come to know. But in the how we have to ready this one. Mm, okay, let me do one thing. Select this. Using select this, press X and dissolve the edges. Go to tab mode. Yeah, it looks better, I hope. X dissolve the edges. Fine, now it looks not bad. This also X dissolve the edges. Okay, now better it looks. No, it looks fishy. Go to tab mode, Altium. I'm at last, and now this is ready. Okay, fine. Okay. Yeah, here it's ready. Only this thing it's need to ready only in this area. Yeah, now it looks better, I hope. we create, and this one we add it in m at last. This one m at last. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, now it's better looking. So it's in the black color view, so it won't be much issue for us. Black plastic. So zip set. So no problem, it won't be visible much here in this solution, so no problem, because maximum in the modeling so many people they won't see that designing, what we say, they won't see much things in this, right? Okay, after okay, then select these faces, then we are going to shift D to duplicate it. Okay, and this one we are going to assign it as red, sorry, we are going to assign it as red only for the selection, and control I to inverse everything, select the base. Okay, let me do one thing, let me add it one more here. So this one I'm going to select it as black, this one is going to up and assign that. Now it looks fine. Okay, sorry, this one is should be in black only, so I will assign it afterwards. Okay, set in solid mode and go to its selection, it's selected. So the L shift H. Okay, go to the edge selection, go to edge selection, go to front view, sorry, right view, and it extrude in this angle. Okay, and shift Z, go to wireframe mode and select this one. You can go a little bit down, GZ, select this one, GZ, very good, more down, GZ, shift Z. I think this looks nice, so select this and press F to fill. So I did one wrong thing, so I just go and go to edit mode, and I just disable this one. Okay, so instead of that, so that we select the faces, go to side view and E to extrude and Z axis. Okay, now go to wireframe mode and select the vertices and press Shift Z and reduce it. So this one, let me do it by as soon as, so it will be nice. Shift C, G Z. Okay, G Z, and this one G Z, and and this one G Z. It's going to be good shape, I feel. Okay, fine. Okay, this one it's become too low, I think. It's okay. To cover this, I got one idea. Press, okay, sorry, Control R, create one edge loops here. That one it will be created. Let me go to front view and let me shift Z and select this GZ, and GZ. Okay, now it looks better. Fine. and here select these edges, okay, and this one, control B to bevel, control B to bevel, then I to insert, press Alt S, okay. Now select these edges, press Shift E 1 to kill the wireframe, and select these things and assign it to new, assign it to red, select and assign it, okay. Now it's assigned it to red. Now it's full cool clear, and okay. Now select the edges, select these edges, control B, control R, so Alt S, and you can make it bottom nearby, go to tab view, okay, right. Now this one is looks cool, right? Okay, and instead of this, here let me add one loop cuts in this corner and loop cuts in this corner. Okay, now it looks better. Here what I'm going to do, I'm going to select these edges and I'm going to add um, one more design to this. I tell you what I'm going to do. So here select these edges, these faces, and E to extrude, and Z, okay, go to tab view. In this select the face, these faces, and assign it to red and go target mode. Okay, now one separate design is ready here, you can able to see. Okay, fine. Now this is ready. Now we are going to add this one, control L, Alt H, control L, press 3 and zoom it. So we have to make it a little bit down bottom, not required. I can make it control R and one edge loops here. Okay, fine. Oh no, oh, not required. Okay, this looks fine here. Okay. Okay, here one gap is there. Let me hide this one. Okay, control L, GZ. Okay, fine. Now it's deattached. Sorry, attached. So now our handle is ready. So which we are going to do is the mirroring if you are here. Okay, first before that I control select this shift select everything, shift D and duplicate it, right click, uh, press M to move to the backup collections, right. Now backup has been taken, select. So here in solidify, okay, let it be, control select this, select using shift key, select these things, select this thing, press control J to join. So now this one became one object, okay. Now select this and select the seat and press control J to join. Now it's became it's mirrored here one more side also. After joining it's became two, so same thing, it's has been created here. So next let me concentrate in bottom of the chair, right. So next we concentrate in bottom of the chair, right? Okay, we are going to concentrate in creating this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, these legs and these foot bars. Okay, let me see how much time has been taken. Okay, 23 minutes it's came. Okay, fine. Let me do one thing. Mm, let me continue this in next video by morning. Bye. Good morning, friends. Let me see this. Let me change this one design a little bit further. Okay, press 7 on the keyboard to the top angle. Shift Z to wireframe. Select one on the vertices. Select this one and this one, 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 and this one, this one, this one, this vertices. Yeah, so we have selected this one, and here bottom we are going to unselect it. Press C and make it big, and middle mouse button to unselect everything in bottom. Okay, it's selected perfectly. Go to in wireframe solid mode and press G Z. Okay, now we have cut it on curve shape. Okay, fine, now this is finished. Okay, let me go it in the bottom of the places. Let me ready it. Okay, go to bottom and shift right click to create a 3D cursor in that particular area. Press shift yes and create a box cube, and press 1 on the keyboard and on the scale Z and scale X GZ. Press right angle and let me go it in solid mode, so we used to see easily, and scale and white in y axis. Okay, press G and move it towards up a little bit like this. Okay, go to edit. Before edit mode, select all, Control A and apply the scaling. Control S to save, and go to edit mode and wireframe mode. Select this one and scale it and G set little bit. Okay, now our box is ready here, and go to solid mode. Press I to before that let me create some edge loops. Press Ctrl R, create 4 edge loops here. Ctrl R, create here 3 edge loops here. Okay, let me make it 4 here. 3 4. Okay, okay, before that let me here create it 4, and here let me create it 4. Okay, right. And after doing that, press face mode and select this one. Right click, loop tools, create a circle. It won't come because it's one thing, it won't come, so we have to select the some vertices. So I select this one to make it in middle circle, so I'm going to do like this. Press right click and create and circle, so now it's created circle. Control 7 to go back to the this mode, what we say, bottom mode. Okay, this is the bottom view. Press X and press X and F to face delete. Okay, and go to vertex select. Select these vertices, press F to fill and I to insert. So it will make one more circle between the thing. So to create one leg for us, E to extrude, Z angle. So let me make it a little more small. Press I again and insert it once again. Okay. Okay, that could be better, I think. Okay, the control Z. Okay, E to exit and Z to axis. You can press this front view. Okay, and here. Then after this, press E to extrude and scale a little bit towards inside. Like this, will we make it? Okay. E to extrude set an angle and E to extrude scale it. E to extrude set the angle. E to extrude scale outside. E to extrude set to scale. Sorry, set to bottom. Okay, we have created almost fine. And E to extrude Z. Okay, and E to extrude and scale GZ and little bit down, and E to extrude Z to scale. Sorry, Z to towards the bottom. Okay, fine. Sorry for the interruption. Okay, after doing that, so go to tab view and go to press N, and so before doing this, so let me do one thing. Let me create this other legs. Okay, go to side view, tab to edit mode, and select these faces and these faces. Press P and plus selection to make it separate object. Go to tab. So now it's became a separate object for us. Okay, go to edit mode. Sorry, go to this edit mode. Select this one. P selection tab, and this one, and this one need to be join. Control J. Tab to edit mode and vertices selection. Press C because it's selected like this. Press select all. Go to faces. Sorry. Go to mesh. Clean up with verify distance. So now this became a one vertices. Okay. Now we have to create a leg. So before that, let me create a one. What we say? Let me create one mirroring. Let me select and see whether everything is correct. Yeah, this is fine. It's not fine. Let me do one thing. Let me create a new object because this doesn't match that. Okay, delete that one. Shift right click and shift A. Create a circle with 32 vertices and scale it down. Shift Z. Go to edit mode. Vertex selection. Scale it a little bit up. Press G and move it towards here. Scale down. Okay, let me align it as it is, how it's looking on top. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to extrude this one and going to give the mirroring, and we are going to create the legs for the same. E to extrude Z, you can create like this, and E to extrude and scale GZ. Okay, this vertices we are going to connect, that we'll see later. So in bottom, press F to fill and I to insert M merge at center. Okay, now we have created this one. Right, go to front view and go to front view. Shift Z and select these vertices. Press X and delete the vertices. And go to the modifier and apply the mirroring clipping. So let me see, everything is fine. No, not fine. Shift Z, select this one, X and delete the vertices. Select this, E to extrude in X axis. This one, select this one. Okay, select this, select this, press F. So let me, before making the mirroring, okay, yeah, instead of deleting, so let me do one thing. Select this, select this, select this one, select this one, select this one, G and move G, EX, you can merge it, everything is same. Fine, now it's clear. Okay, now we are going to select these three in front, right side, these three, and another side. Okay, this side it's fuzzy. Go to edge selection and select this, select this, select this, select this, select this, G, X. Okay, ready. So after doing this, go to right view and shift Z, select these vertices, press X and delete the vertices. Now press Y, shift Z. Now everything is clear. Now one side we are going to create. So this is the front. Select these vertices, press E to extrude. Okay, scale down, scale X axis. Press 1 and select this GX. Select this GX. Select this GX. So to reduce it down a little bit, right? GX. Okay, these 4 points we are going to create. Right view, shift Z, select these vertices, scale Y 0, E to extrude, press G and move a little bit down. Scale it in Z axis. E to extrude, G to move. G to move and move it tightly here and scale Z axis. Okay, after this, so we are going to see the leveling of the top. Okay, it's fine, we have to create a little bit more. Scale, sorry, E to extrude and move like that and press G. Okay, this is enough. I hope this length is enough. Yeah, enough. Okay, go to object mode, right? So scale Z a little bit tight down. Okay, go to tab and control 3 to apply the smooth modifier shade smooth. Here we are going to do some changes. Okay, and auto smooth, select it. Here press Ctrl R and then after that, okay, select to this is select, go to front view and move here. Shift Z, select this G, move it like this. Sorry, select this one G, select on top, G to move like this. Select this one G, move like this. Okay, now Shift Z. Okay, it's came almost fine. So in this leg, which one we are going to create is the one. Press Ctrl R, scale Y0. Sorry, that's not correct. Press GY and move towards. Sorry, go to this angle. Press G and move it here. Fine. Select this one. Here we are going to make a one circle point. How we have designed there. Sorry for the interruption. Select these three. Sorry, these two. Right click and create a circle and E to extrude Z axis. Okay, now here one small thing is created. Select these vertices, select this one, scale it down tightly. Okay, press Ctrl R and make it like this cut. Okay, fine. Shift Z and scale it down. Okay, now scale X axis. Okay, now this small cut is created. Which one that wheel it's going to be inside after that, right? Okay, press 7 and press G Y to move. G Z. G Y. Okay, entire front view. Okay, right, fine. Which one? What? How we are going to do is we are going to create one more things here, right? So for that we are going to apply the mirroring, and we are going to duplicate the leg in another side. Okay, so apply the mirroring, go to this one and apply the mirroring, go to edit mode. Okay, select this one, go to face selection, shift Z, select these faces. Okay, then before that select this one, press select this one here, shift yes, sorry, shift yes, cursor to selected, then let me select this one, go here and shift Z, wireframe mode, in face mode select everything, go to top angle, shift D and right click to cancel, press R to rotate. Sorry, let me change here. One more thing we have to change here, go to this thing, go to 3D cursor rotation, go to top angle view, press R to rotate actually in the 90-degree. Press Ctrl key on the keyboard to do it correctly, and G to move here. Okay, almost it get matched. Okay, then go to again in top angle view, shift D to duplicate, R to rotate. Sorry, so before that Control Z, before that go to the selection, press shift S, cassette to selected, then now shift Z, 3 to face selection, select these faces, shift D, auto rotate in 90-degree. Okay, right, press G and move it here. Shift Z and you can view here. Okay, fine, it's correct. So we are going to add that one to the edge loops. Okay, so which one we are going to do is now GX, move tightly nearby here. This one, select this, press Ctrl L, GX to move here.